Welcome to Lake, where the mission is not just about conservation but also about fostering a deep connection with the natural world. At Lake, we believe in the power of nature to heal, inspire, and rejuvenate. Our values are rooted in sustainability, community, and stewardship of the environment. But Lake is more than just a place, it's a movement. A movement fueled by the collective desire to protect and cherish our planet for generations to come. So come join us on this journey of exploration, discovery, and wonder. Together, let's embrace the serenity of nature and create a brighter, more sustainable future for all.